Children, now listen. Are you understood now? What is the effect of the pollution? Not only Ivory Coast, every country today this type of the problems are facing. Recent last month in Andhra Pradesh, LG company, midnight poisonous gas are leaked. Every countries this type of the incidents are happen. Pollution is increased. So that's why rains are not coming to time. Sometimes totally drought condition. Sometimes suddenly rain. Floods are happen. Total our life is totally disturbance. Remember that. Next today, this matter taken from this is Africa newspaper. Vaizu Narsavani. Vaizu Naravani. This taken from this newspaper 16th September 2006. 16th September 2006. This matter printed by one newspaper. From that your adapter taken. Now another important topic in the same lesson. Income and other goals. In first class, in the second lesson, we will discuss everybody some aspiration, means goals, desires. Everybody they want to develop in their life. For example, landless, rural laborers, they want developed in their life. Prosperous farmers, who are the people doing the agriculture, they want development. Fishermen, Adivasis, unemployed youth, different sections people, they want to settle in their life. But remember, income and other goals, all people income they are no equal. For example, I am a private school teacher. Our income level as well as one government employee income level, both are different. So both are different. Suppose if we want to reach my goal, very critical, I want one sufficient house, at least small house. We are unable to construct that house because my income level is very less. That is only sufficient for livelihood, daily needs. What some people have a more salaries are there. From that 50% salary or 30% salary save every year. After 10 years they reach their goal, they construct the houses, buying the cars, buying the gold jewelries, or start the business and buying the agricultural land, different. But all people income level is not equal. Goals are different, income levels are different. My income is different, my goals are different. And also income depend upon skills. For example, one engineer today working in different software companies, their earning level capacity more. One doctor earning capacity more, their earning amount more. We are working in private sector as a private teacher, my income level is different. I am educated, they are also educated, but their technical education, our education is different, their education is different. And next to one selection of the way. For example, after I complete my education, I am entered into the private school as a teacher. My friends, my classmates, my friends, somebody start the business. Their business increase, their income level is increased, their position and my position both are different. Understood? So all people income and goals are different. But everybody always thinking we want a sufficient job, sufficient wages job, nearby my village. Everybody thinking I should be living along with my family members, my parents, my childrens. Everybody thinking like that. For example, in society, three group of the people are there. Retired employees, children's, working groups. Remember, retired employee wanted, what is the retired employees wanted pensions. And children should be provided the education. What the above 15 years age group people are there, their working group. They should be working. This is working for family, is working for their goal. Understood? So, here in your textbook, 3 photos are given, children. 3 photos are given. 1, 2, 3. First one, as one old persons are sitting, he want pensions. One working woman is there, she wanted equal wages. And third one, working for near family. Understood? So, for example, in our society, in private sector, male, females are working, both salaries or wages are not equal. Not equal. For example, same worker, both are working same field. Gents are taken every day 400 rupees, women are taken 250 rupees at 200 rupees. This is not correct. So, equal work, equal salary. In government sector is there. In private sector, not like that. Today, 92% of people today you are working unorganized sector, in private sector. Only 8% people working in organized sector, means government sector. Understood? So that's why income and goal both are different people, different income levels are there, different goals are there. My goal is different, your goals are different, your friend's goal is different, your neighbor's goals are different, your relatives, some people are there, their goals are different. Their income level different, your income level different, my income level different, other income level is different. So remember, goals and income is also most important. You have less income, your goal is the big. How to reach? That's why income, first decided your income level, what is the income level, how to reach your goal. First you decided, you are moving towards of that. Understood, children? Thank you.